I played international sports for 21 years, which was a long career. I've been in politics for 23 years. Who's the greatest leader of Pakistan ever had was the great founder of Pakistan. Except for him, I have the longest struggle in politics. The people who I held responsible were always the political elite. You see, if the political elite is clean, then they will not have crony capitalism. Problem that happened in Pakistan was that we had these two political houses, and both just competed in siphoning of money out of the country, money laundering. And once the leadership does that, then the whole system falls apart. For 22 years, I struggled, built my own party. It was the only time a party has broken through a two-party system. The struggle which I've been through, which equips me. Basically, the problem we all face and leadership faces how to cope with the bad times.